Dragon Masters, Call of the Sound Dragon by Tracy West. The Wizard Watch. Bright purple energy swirled around Naryu the Thunder Dragon. Eagle, his Dragon Master, stood next to him. The green dragonstone she wore glowed. Eagle reached out with both arms. Naryu's energy swirled around her. Then it poured out of her hands. Drake, Rory, Bo, and Anna watched with wide eyes, excited to see Eagle use her powers as a dragon mage. The energy from Eagle's hands turned into a wall of purple energy. Cool force field, Drake exclaimed. He had once seen Eagle use Naryu's energy to make a whip of purple light, but he had never seen her make a force field before. My connection to Naryu is so strong that I can tap into his energy and use it, Eagle said. That is what it means to be a dragon mage. She lowered her hands and the energy wall disappeared. That was awesome, Rory exclaimed. Bo raised his hand. What exactly can dragon mages do with their dragon's energy? They use the energy to perform some of their dragon's powers. She explained. It takes many years to learn this. I can't create a thunder blast like Naryu does, but I can use his energy to make a regular power blast, or create a force field like I just did. Petra is going to be sorry she missed this, Drake said. If I get her, will you make another force field? Eagle smiled. Of course. It's strange seeing Eagle smile, Drake thought as he ran to Griffith's wizard workshop. Eagle had been Griffith's first student. She had made some bad choices in the past, but recently she had risked her life to save Drake and Rory from a dark wizard named Mallred. Mallred had trapped Eagle in a time with a bunch of other wizard enemies. The Time Dragon had freed Eagle and all the wizards. Now, Eagle was back in the castle, helping Griffith teach the Dragon Masters. The wizards were another problem. Some of the wizards trapped in the wall were evil. Now they were on the loose. Petra, come see what Eagle can do, Drake told the curly-haired girl who was busy helping Griffith. In a minute, we're almost done with the first part of the Wizard Watch, Petra said. Griffith looked in Mallred's journal and found the names of the trapped wizards. She pointed to a sheet of paper on the wall. I wrote their names on this chart. Now Griffith is marking the bad ones. If we find them, we can keep an eye on them in case they start causing trouble, Griffith said. That sounds like a good plan, Drake replied. Indeed, the wizard agreed. He turned to Petra. I can finish this myself. You should go train with the others. Are you sure? Petra asked. It could. Boom! A loud sound interrupted from Griffith's gazing ball. Rainbow lights swirled inside the ball. What's happening? Ray cried.